Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain how we can digitally verify a certificate using blockchain. Because digital certificates plays a vital role in both professional and educational career. Because in today's world, anyone can manipulate this digital certificate and make a forgery. So we are coming up with an idea of uploading those certificate hashes into the blockchain, and later we can verify those hashes with the certificate that is being provided for several situations. Okay, let's get into the point. What exactly we are going to do? Okay, once the institute and organizations are issuing the certificates to the users, we are going to get the hash of those certificates and store it in the blockchain with some metadata. With the help of those metadata, we can provide some details about those certificates later on. Okay. Then, after successfully storing those thing in the block of the blockchain, uh, let us assume that the user is coming into our portal and they were trying to verify the certificates. They just want to drop their certificate to verify this its authenticity. So after verifying, it will give some metadata about the certificate, like name of the certificate name and who is issued by and date of issuation. These were the metadata that is being stored at the time of block is created, right? Okay. When it comes to choosing of blockchain network which is going to store those blocks, we are providing two different blockchain networks, especially Ethereum and Polygon. As we all know that Ethereum is safe and secure, but its gas fees is pretty high, which will cost even more for adding a single transaction into the blockchain network. So some institute may look into some cost efficient one, so they can go ahead with the Polygon chain network. We support both these chains, and we are going to check in both the chains once the user is going to verify their certificates. Okay, when it's come to uploading their certificates into the blockchain network, it is only done by the institute and organization which are actually providing those certificates. To avoid any kind of malicious intent of the client user, we are restricting those uploads. Okay, how we are exactly doing those uploads? Okay, let's dive deep into it. We are actually going to provide an endpoint for the user, which means organization and institute, to upload their certificate. In those endpoints, they have to provide their access token, which is their authorization header. Okay, with those help of that, we can verify their authenticity and provide them to store the certificate over in the blockchain network. After successfully it's been stored in the blockchain network, we are giving the user with some extra things, like now they can able to verify their certificates in our the portal, as well as we are going to provide a public endpoint for those verification and all, because there is no restriction for whomever they need. They can verify the certificate using our public API endpoint. Okay. Once they have verified their certificate, it will be loaded into their dashboard for future users. They can literally view this certificate and all. Because once they are successfully verified their certificate and it's the legitimate one, then it will be stored in their account, like in their local environment for future use case. But when it comes to reality, like if hundreds of people were applying for the job call, and instead of verifying the certificate one by one, they can just call our endpoint to verify those certificate legitimacy in the later use case. Okay. For a smart contract, we have actually written the smart contract in Solidity, and it's been deployed into the Polygon test network as well as the Ethereum test network. Okay, and we have tested it out. It's working pretty well. As of now, our team is working on to develop a uh, mobile-based application for this use case, because most of the user are going to a mobile-based mobile console. We are developing a React native application for mobile user. They will feel the same simple and easy user interface. Apart from that, we are also looking forward to provide various integrations like WhatsApp integration and Telegram integration. The user just want to send the certificates to the um, our inside of the WhatsApp, then they can actually verify it from there itself. It's completely free of cost. because verifying and all, there is no gas fees and no such a thing at all. Okay, this is what we are planning actually, and furthermore we are looking onto the ups and downs, and we are continuously improving ourselves. So thank you for watching.